loves, it's Crystal Marie again. Welcome back to my channel. I am excited as always to bring you new videos, and this one is no exception. Of course, you know I am an avid planner girl, and it has been a long time since I've done a planner video. So today I am going to walk you through setting up my new pink, beautiful pink day designer for Target. It's the Target Blue Sky collaboration, and they've done this for a couple of years. So if you love planner videos, definitely stay tuned. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what your favorite planner is and how you like to set up your planners. So without further ado, let's get started. I wanted to do a little recap of all the day designers that I've owned. I think it would be fun, and I'll also leave a link below to other day designer videos that I've done. So this was my latest one. It is so yummy and pretty. I hardly used it though, I'll be honest. I only used it for a couple months, but it was so pretty. The cover was so pretty. I definitely wanted to have it. And this is the June 2017 through May 2018 version. It was so pretty. I love like all the washi tape and pens and like office supply cover, and it was pink as well. You guys know I'm a sucker for it. So yeah, I bought this one. Hardly used it, but I loved it. That was my latest. Let's see if I could just set that down on the floor here. Then we had, I think it's been quite a while, several years ago, they came out with the like to-do. It was like a mini, and it was basically just like your to-do list, and it was undated. I still definitely can use this, and but as you can see, it's been through some things. And I used this, I did use it for a while, but I still have a while to go. There's lots of paper in this one. I don't know if they make this version anymore, but I love it. You can, and it's like smaller and more compact, so you can take this with you. I probably should start taking this with me in my purse though. Then the one that I coveted so much was the gold stripe one. And I remember when I first got introduced to Day Designer, the gold stripe was sold out. So I ended up having to get the black stripe, which I'll show you next. But yeah, I love this one. And I did use this one pretty much all the way through. There was a couple, I think a couple months at the end there that I think I bought a new planner, but I really did use this one, and yeah, I loved it. Still love this classic gold stripe. I don't know if they have the gold stripe one anymore, but I do think that they have the black and white stripe, which is the first one. The very first one I got was the black and white stripe, and I used this all the way through pretty much, except for maybe some of the ending months when I got a new planner. But yeah, I love the Day Designer brand. And then my the Day Designer for Target, the first one I got was this beautiful pink one. Of course, you guys know, if you've been here, that my favorite colors are pink, gold, silver. You throw some sparkle on it and I love it, but I am in love with pink. So I bought this one. This is 2016, and I love this color pink. It's just so very bold. And so this year, yeah, just dropping those on the floor. This year, they came out with another version similar to the one that I just showed you that I was using for 2015, 2016. They came out with a 2018, 2019 version, and this one starts in July. So I thought it'd be fun to do a quick setup video on like how I use my stickers and my washi, and just sit down, have fun, and get my plan on. So let's get all the way into it and have some fun. I have like all my stickers and washi and my pen gem, so I can write all my different stickers that I love. I have all of that out. My favorite glue is this Tombow Mono Liquid Glue. It has a dual tip, so it has a pin tip and a broad tip, depending on what you're doing. So I love that. Got all kind of stuff from, I think this is from Prima. So, and then I have some Erin Condren stickers here. So we'll be using all of that to set up July. First, if you're not familiar with a Day Designer, at the beginning, of each of their planners, they do have like pages that you can set your goals and start with a big picture, and just a couple pages. Design your days, what you want your ideal morning routine to be like, what you want your ideal evening routine to be like. Stay on course with important things throughout the year. So they always start with those couple pages. And then we have the month view. Now, you guys can't probably, well, obviously you can't feel it, but the paper is very yummy, very soft, which I prefer. And it is like thin, so we'll see if any of my pens bleed through. And then this is the weekly layout here. So it's got your this week top 3s, you put those at the top here, and then Monday, and then the to-dos here, Tuesday to-dos, Wednesday to-dos, and then it repeats. And then Saturday and Sunday are just for you to write down whatever you want to do. It doesn't have a to-do list, but they're all on 2 pages. And then basically that repeats for the rest of the month until you get to the next month. And then in this version, they have notes in the back, which if you guys have followed me for a while, I do kind of like the notes to be behind the month, so I can like have notes for each month, but it's okay to have them in the back too. So that is it. That's it for the layout here. Let's get into decorating. I messed up the bottom page. But okay, so that is my planner setup video. If you want to see the after the pin, be sure to hop on Instagram and I will show you guys a image of what it looks like after I put all of my to-dos and everything inside my planner. Follow me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram account below. Definitely thumbs up the video if you like planner videos, and let me know what type of videos you like. Do you like the sped up version, or do you want me to walk you through my process? I definitely do need to do another planner system video for 2018. I did one in 2016. 2017, as you guys know, if you followed me, I lost my grandma very early, so it was kind of like a blur that whole year. So I didn't do one for 2017, but 2018, if you guys want to see a planner setup video, leave a comment below. As always, thank you guys for stopping by. Be sure to subscribe so you're part of the Diva Circle. And have a blessed day, night, or whenever you're watching this, be blessed.